What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Untch for Lunches. I'm your host, Kyle Untch. Here we have a standing prime rib roast. This is a 5.24 pound roast, 5 1/4, give or take. And I'm going to show you the most simple way to cook this perfectly. Very simple. See these bones? I have a 2-bone rib roast. You're going to take your knife and push up against the back side of the bone. You can feel it as you run your knife right along down. So as soon as you get your knife down to the cutting board, there you have it, off. And then you just smack the rib roast right back up on top of it after you have it cut off, like so. Bang. Okay, after you have it cut off, then you're going to want to tie the bones right back onto the rib roast. And so that process I will show you in the following clips. Okay, so now that we are finished cutting and tying, that process is actually very easy if you know a butcher's knot. We have our finished product. I recommend using a cast iron skillet and avocado oil in the bottom because it has a high smoke point, if you will. So what you're going to want to do is set your oven temperature for 425 degrees. Put the roast in the oven, close the door, and immediately drop the temperature to 350 degrees. Then you're going to cook it for 20 minutes per pound. In this case, we cooked it for an hour and 45 minutes. This roast weighed 5.24 pounds. Okay, so everybody's roast weight is going to vary a little bit, but that's what you want to go by. As you can see, it's about 131 degrees at the top, okay? But if I measure the center, it goes down to about 117 degrees Fahrenheit. A few more minutes in the oven, got it right where we want it. 120 degrees, 121. Can we get it? Yep, that's perfect. So at this point, we just let it rest about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll cut the strings off, separate the bones, look at that. And then we will carve. I'm gonna put this beautiful sauce on top. I should probably say what it is. It's Dick's horseradish sauce. Dick's. It's Dick's. I'm gonna put the Dick's horseradish sauce on top of each one of our prime ribs. Fantastic. Fantastic. No grill. All in the oven. Oh my goodness. It's Dick's Caveman. You just gotta like and subscribe and watch more videos. It's Dick's